Welcome to this video exploring how Kazakhstan created one of the world's most protected currencies, the tenge. Following the fall of the Soviet Union and the collapse of the ruble zone, Kazakhstan introduced its own national currency, the tenge, on November 15, 1993. The word tenge stems from the medieval Turkic term for balance or scales, and it also shares linguistic roots with the Russian word for money. For the first issue of currency, Kazakhstan partnered with international firms. The banknotes were printed in the United Kingdom, while the coins were struck in Germany. The nation quickly developed its minting capabilities, opening its own facility in 1995. This allowed for rapid evolution in coin materials and design. Kazakhstan has transitioned its alphabet, moving from Cyrillic script to a Latin-based system. Consequently, coins featuring both scripts are currently in circulation. The tenge is renowned for its security, featuring 18 distinct protection levels, including holographic strips, watermarks, and specialized printing techniques, making counterfeiting nearly impossible. The 2006 Currency series introduced a unique aesthetic, utilizing a vertical layout for the obverse side of the notes, printed in Kazakh, and a horizontal layout for the reverse, printed in Russian. The initial print of the 2006 series contained a notable spelling error where the word for bank was incorrect, which has since been rectified. In 2016, the Telegraph recognized the 10,000 tenge banknote as the most beautiful in the world, citing its vibrant colors, cultural imagery, and robust security features. Looking forward, the Saka series issued between 2023 and 2025 features advanced security designs, local wildlife imagery, and has completely phased out the use of the Russian language. Beyond standard currency, the National Bank also issues limited Jubilee coins and high-purity gold and silver bullion for collectors and investors. Since 2015, the tenge has operated on a floating exchange rate, with its value determined by global market forces and commodity prices rather than a fixed peg to the US dollar. Over the past 30 years, the tenge has evolved into a testament to Kazakhstan's history, blending advanced security technology with exceptional artistic design. Thank you for watching. For those interested in numismatics, Coin House Kochi has been serving collectors since 1980.